Are you still struggling to get that perfect sunrise shot? And despite all the early mornings and preparations and checking the weather on your mobile or your apps, you're still not achieving the results you're looking for. Well, I believe I found the perfect solution for you that can help reach your goal in sunrise and sunset photography. So come along and join me and I'll show you what you've been missing. So here we are, guys. I have my camera all set up on my tripod. Well, I'm sure you've guessed, guys, that this thing you've been missing that I mentioned earlier is a reverse graduated filter. I'm going to show it to you now. So here we have the reverse grad filter. It's different than the other filters. A normal graduated filter will start getting dark from the top and slowly lighten as it gets down to the middle. This one, it starts dark from the middle and starts getting lighter and lighter as you go up. It's mainly used for sunrises and sunsets. You place the dark part over the horizon line as the sun starts rising. You can adjust it up and down on your filter. And now I'm going to insert it into the filter holder. I'll be showing you on the camera screen the difference when you use this filter. Now we have the sun rising above the clouds. It's a perfect example I can show you. This is my screen on the camera with no reverse grad, and now I'm gonna slide it down in position, and now you can see the difference. All we need to do now is take the shot. And there we have a perfect exposure throughout the image. I'm going to show you for the last time without the reverse grad. This is without the reverse grad, and this is with the reverse grad. Many photographers struggle trying to capture the dynamic range during sunrises and sunsets, which either results in overexposed skies or underexposed landscapes. This is one of the best methods you can use during sunrises and sunsets. I've used this graduated filter many times on my images while taking sunrises and sunsets. It's very easy to use. All you need to do, like I said, just place the darker part above the horizon line and you'll get an even exposure across all the image. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's a great investment, this reverse graduated filter. You'll enjoy many sunrises and sunsets. Well, thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, and check my other videos on editing and landscape photography and also fine art black and white. Thank you and see you.